Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Rorree, and I'm with Totally Rorree International, which is this channel. However, we have a new community for women. Everything we're talking about is all about women. Okay. Well, we probably would talk about other things than women also, but everything is to benefit and uplift us as a species, okay? Anyway, that community is called Roses, Lavender, and Sage. And if you go into the description box, you can see how to join us there. So just click on the link or the websites, roseslavender.and-sage.com. All right, so please hit the like button and we're gonna go. All right, so I was meditating a little bit just to see what was gonna flow in to me as I read these cards that came out for you today. All right, so I got commitment and I got compassion. And commitment, they kind of go together, I'm feeling. And commitment, I'll show it to you. This is what the commitment card looks like. All right. So I'm feeling like for the group here today, for the collective, for those of you watching this video, this commitment card is about commitment to a higher source, a higher power, a higher calling. This is about your commitment to yourself, to betterment. This is about a commitment to being your best self. This is about a commitment for some of you in a relationship. But this commitment in this particular relationship is divinely, this is a divine partnership. You know, this is not one of the, okey doke partnerships. This is a divine one. This is a lasting relationship. I'm hearing that for some of you, it is a purposeful relationship, and that would be the better description of the word. Because lasting, it may last as long as it's supposed to last, but it is definitely a relationship that is on purpose. So this next relationship is for a reason. Some of you are not committed to your purpose. You need to do a little bit more, be a little bit more focused on your divine calling, your purpose in this lifetime. Some of y'all don't even know what that is. So we will get into that as well, because it really is important for you to know what your purpose is in this lifetime so that you know where you're going, you know? Yeah, I really feel that is the case for some of you. You're a little stuck because you don't know where you're going. So compassion, I'm feeling like compassion, this this card is reminding me of love, um, acceptance. I'm getting acceptance, sharing that with the world. There's a world on this card, sharing that with the universe, sharing your love and compassion. I feel like there's cycles. I feel like some of you are in a cycle, like you're going through things. You feel like you're in a cycle that's going around and around. I feel like some of you feel like you're on a merry-go-round. I'm feeling like some of you are in a cycle that needs to stop. Like you need to jump off the merry-go-round, so to speak, so that you can have the world, so that you can have less confusion. I'm feeling like the word I'm hearing in my head, naturally guided and spiritually led. That's what I'm hearing, naturally guided. I feel like you are being led and guided. I'm hearing that you have to listen to your inner voice, listen to the Holy Spirit within, your Rorree, whatever you call that for yourself. I'm feeling that some of you could do some clearing, clearing of your chakras, working on the octaves within your body. We did a meditation last week, Monday, I think. And we worked on octaves and chakras and things of that nature. This week, I think we're going to work on chakras. I'm not sure we're going to work on octaves again. We may put that out there for whomever did not get to participate last week, but this is in Roses, Lavender, and Sage.com. So this is in the community. This community, again, is just for women. So I'm I got guys that are wanting to wanting something. So I'm trying to figure that one out right now because this community is just for women. But let's see. I'm hearing the song is, she's got the whole world in her hands. That's what I'm hearing. And some of you, because of your compassion, because of your loving heart, because, and I'm hearing, I know one person in this group, because of the lovingness in your heart, there is elevation coming because of your compassion and your love. And when you hear this, you're going to know that I'm talking to you. And we're going to be doing some work on our heart space, on love, on compassion, on resetting ourselves, deprogramming and reprogramming. We're going to be focused on that so that we tap into that compassion. We tap into the heart. I've been reminded of my heart space. We are going to be doing some work on that together. Through those of you who are in the group, because not all of the videos will be on YouTube. So I'm just letting you know now. And right now you get in at no cost. So I'm telling you, if you think you might want to get in now. Okay. All right. Because we are working our petunias off to get everything set up. And when it's set up, that's just that, everybody else will be founding ambassadors and the rest, will not. So, but this compassion card, I'm getting a lot from it. Like I see the cycles, I see the universe, I see multi-dimensions. It's like the love and compassion permeates everything. Wow. This is how the protection happens, this is how, and this is, I'm getting it now. I had a conversation with another spiritual person, another healer, and we were talking about some things, and I see now where the protection comes from, because why you don't have to worry about the protection once you have totally tapped in to this love, this passion, this heart space filled with love and compassion and passion. It permeates all realms. it's just, oh my stars. And it leads to you being able to tap into the universe, to tap in, to manifest your heart's desires, and to be contagious with it. You know, like it'll rub off on people. You know, your vibration will be so high that it's going to be infectious, you know, positive infection. You know what I mean? They like to spread all that cucarachi all around, all that foolishness. You know, we're going to be spreading some positive. So let me show you what this card looks like. And I got that from this card. There's a lot in this card. I just got a lot out of this. Wow. All right. So commitment, compassion, you know, those are things that you must have to be successful. You have to have passion, compassion, and commitment. Commitment to yourself, commitment to your goals, commitment to your cause, commitment to your beliefs, commitment to yourselves, commitment to your health, you know, commitment to your breath, commitment to the work, commitment to the work that you're going to do on yourselves, commitment to constantly improving yourself, you know, commitment to building your self-worth. You know, some of us have been so broken down. The older you get, the more broken down you are, the harder you are. Ladies, the more you go through the pain, you turn into a hard-boiled egg. You know, an overcooked hard-boiled egg. That's what happens. You know, so it's time for commitment and compassion and boldness, Freya. Boldness. Time for boldness. I'm going to read that. Freya's riding away on her chariot. Let's see what Freya is talking about. What is Freya talking about? Freya. I like that name. You can tell I keep saying it, right? Freya, boldness. Norse. Those are the origins, Norse. Playful goddess of love and ruler over war and death. Freya appears before you to encourage you to boldly go forth. Now is not the time to play small. Step into your power, embrace your desires, and take swift action to manifest them fully in your life. Freya's got your back. All right, so be bold, be brave, stand in your power, be beautiful, bold, brave, and beautiful, and stand in your power and go forth like Freya, okay? But you got to be committed, and you have to have compassion, and you got to have passion. I keep throwing passion in there because passion is part of compassion, okay? And you got to give love, okay? So anyway, I hope that got your day started in a wonderful place today. All right, y'all, don't forget, like, subscribe, hit the little bell, hit the little bell so that you know when it's time to hear a little message from Rorree. All right, and definitely join us in Roses, Lavender, and Sage. Roses, Lavender, and Sage.com. I will talk to y'all next time. Ashe, ashe, ashe.